Hey guys, it's Traumatized. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a very interesting one for you guys. It's called 10 ways to use concealer. Stay tuned, let's get into it. Number one, or the first way I use concealer is to clean up my brows. I go in with a concealer 2 shades lighter than my skin tone for the bottom, and I use one of the same shade, or I use my foundation to clean the top. This creates that sleek brow that I absolutely love every single time. Number two, I use concealer as an eyeshadow primer or an eyeshadow base. It's a definite and absolute substitute. Some people may choose to set the concealer to avoid creasing. I don't. I set with my eyeshadows because this allows my colors to be more vibrant and to blend more smoothly over the eyelid. Number three, I use concealer directly on my eyelid to cut my crease. I've seen most makeup artists go in with makeup remover or Vaseline to cut the crease. I have yet to use that trick. I go in with a lighter concealer sometimes just to make sure my colors are vibrant when I place them on my lid. Number four, or the fourth way you can go in to use concealer, is to fix mistakes. I would usually go in with concealer to clean up my eyeliner. If I wanted to be more straight or more defined, I would just use a little to clean up the edges. Now the fifth way I use concealer, of course, is to conceal. I go ahead and conceal any imperfections, any dark circle. I usually use red corrector to do this step, but if my concealer can do both, then why not? Most times I just go in with my foundation, which is full coverage, and this foundation does more than enough concealing for me. Number six, we all know this one, of course, to highlight. We go in with a concealer which is 2 shades lighter than our skin complexion to highlight where the light reflects best of our face, which would be our forehead, nose bridge, under our eyes, cupid's bow, and the chin. Now mind you, this is the first time I'm actually using this concealer. I had no idea how yellow it was. It was a struggle for me to try to blend this out to not look like a Oompa Loompa at the end of the video. But anyways, moving on. Number 7, to contour. I go in with a tad bit on my forehead, jawline area, and my nose, just to make sure my face is snatched. Number 8, cream blush. Now this one is fairly new to me. This is where you mix your concealer with your favorite lipstick to create whatever color cream blush that you desire. Number 9, yes, I use concealer most times as a brown lip liner when I'm unable to get the shade that I need. In my opinion, it goes on smoother and also lasts longer than the pencil. And last but not least, number 10, I use concealers on my lips. For nude lip combos, concealers give me that perfect shade that I need every time. Ooh. So my lovelies, thank you for watching. I know this one was short, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If there are other uses of concealers that you would love to share, please do down in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Follow me on Instagram, and see you in the next one.